Today, I want us to solve a question, and that question is based on a topic called implicit differentiation. Okay, this is the question. If x squared y plus y squared x cubed is equal to 5, find dy dx. Okay, before we start, I want to give us this warning. The method I want to use here is a shortcut. So it is only meant for objective exams. But so if you're doing theory, don't use this method, okay? If you check my playlist, for theory, I've given a particular approach. So there you will see steps, okay? So you can go to my playlist and check. But here I'll focus on objective exams. So this question now is implicit. How are we supposed to know? When something is implicit, okay, your x and your y, they'll be joined together. If you look at this one now, what do you notice? My x and my y, they are joined together. So we know that is what? Implicit. So let me go straight to the calculation. Now this is the first rule. If you want to use this method, everything you have here, bring them to one side. So watch me now. Watch. So I'm going to write x squared y plus y squared x cubed, then minus 5 is equal to 0. The question is, how did I get the minus 5? See, bring everything to this side. You understand? So if you bring everything to one side, this 5 will come here to become minus 5. Is that clear? So once you are done, the next thing to do, okay, is to label this thing as your f. And that's it. And if you want to make it more, you can just put s, y. It doesn't really matter anyway. So now, let me go straight to the calculation. So how do we get dy dx? The formula for dy dx, okay, is minus fx all over fy. Now, write your minus and open a bracket. What's the meaning of fx? Fx means that I'm going to focus only on x. Now, when you focus only on x, you're going to use something called power rule. Power what? Power rule. So let me focus on x, okay? Let me use power rule. Now, if you focus on x and use power rule here, let's use power rule now for this x. What will be the answer? 2x. You agree with me, right? Correct. Again, focus on x and use power rule, you get 2x. So you can just write your y beside it because we didn't touch the y. The next thing to do, okay, is this. You got the plus. Let's jump here. Now, if I jump here now, let's focus on x. If I focus on x and I use power rule, what do you think this will give us? 3x squared. Do you agree? If I focus on x here and I use power rule, this will give me what? 3x squared. Okay. Now, I'll just put my y squared beside it. Remember, I did not touch the y. So that's it. That one is gone. So let's come down. I'm done with that one. So what is fy? Fy means now I'll focus on y. So let's come back here. So if I focus on y and I use power rule for this y, what do you think is going to give me? To give me 1. Remember, I did not touch the x, so we just put x squared like that. I didn't touch it, okay? Then let's jump here. If I focus on y again and I use power rule for this y, what do you think I'm going to get? I'm going to get 2y. You know I did not touch the x, right? Just leave it as s cubed. Can you see? All right. Then finally, let's jump here. Okay, there's nothing to do here because there's no y there. And that's it. So the final answer now, we'll now say dy dx is equal to, now you can open the bracket if you want, minus 2xy minus 3x squared y squared all over x squared plus 2yx cubed. And that's the final answer. That's all. So if you have any question, you're free to ask, okay?